drugs the day before. Killed my birthday vibe. Few people came. He's attention seeking. What to do? Damn! Your boyfriend had a whole heart attack out here.
Young Dizzle.
Hey y'all, it's Jimmy P and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button right next to it so you know if I want to upload all my videos. And of course, go and follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. You know we live on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you follow me on there. So today, y'all are basically literally getting ready with me. Not getting ready with me, but like we're doing my hair. We're doing this wig, and this is the wig that I'm wearing for my birthday. This is how I'm wearing my hair. Going to the club tonight. This is the makeup and everything that I'm wearing. So y'all got the tea, okay? But 11:55 is almost my birthday right now, and period, okay? If you haven't told me happy birthday, say it right now down in the comments. But shout out to the sponsor of this video, West Kiss. They sent me this gorgeous unit, girl. All the links and the details and everything like that about this wig will be down below in the description box. And if I have a discount code, I will put it on the screen for y'all to check out as well. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Y'all see how I slayed my wig, okay, for my birthday. And yeah, let me just stop and let's get into this video.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me.
Boyfriend had a heart attack, drugs the day before. Killed my birthday vibe. Few people came. He's attention seeking. What to do? Damn! Your boyfriend had a whole heart attack out here. And all you concerned about is your 30th birthday party?
It was his fault. It was
That was
drugs.
last year that got shut down. You wasn't concerned about your man's health and being alive?
He shouldn't have been taking
Attention seeking.
drugs.
He had a heart attack.
Cause of the drugs.
He had a heart attack.
I'm on his side.
And you mad because it ruined your
He's
birthday?
attention seeking. Period. Alright, y'all. So I finally got this wig on. Okay. I feel like I'm getting a lot better at like laying the wig. Y'all know y'all seen a couple other videos. I've been trying to do Tay's process. And like I told y'all, the more you do it, the better you get. And I feel like I'm getting a lot better at it. So I'm about to go in and do my baby hairs really quick. I want to do a swoop part type of thing. I'm not sure if I want to do a low ponytail or if I want to just leave it like this and straighten it. Don't really know, but I'm gonna see what it looks like with the dress. But basically I'm doing it like this because tomorrow is my birthday and I'm having my dinner, and the way that I want my hair, it has to be with the swoop. Yeah, so you get the vibes, okay? So let's do these baby hairs, girl. I'm so tired of doing my hair.
I can't wait to get next to you.
Alright y'all, so I went, I did my makeup, I changed my clothes. I forgot to do one part, and that is the most important part to me, is taking my concealer and making my part like a lot more neater or whatever. So I take some concealer and I dab it with a little bit of my foundation, just a little bit, to make it look more, you know, yeah. Alright y'all, so that is it for this tutorial. This is literally the makeup, the hair, not the shirt, obviously. My dress is over there. This is what I'm looking like for my birthday party. I'm about to get all the way dressed, take a shot. It's literally 11:53, so it's almost my birthday. Shout out to West Kids for sending me this wig. It's so pretty. It's real long too, girl. I ain't even know how I wanted to do my hair for my birthday, but it's giving very much, okay? Real long and full and thick, girl. Yes, okay? So we got this frontal on. I'm gonna have all the links down below in the description box for you to check out their company and their everything and where I got this wig from and all that good stuff. So leave me some comments, leave me some likes, share this video with all your good friends. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next one.